Hello everybody. I wanted to do one last video because we are in the end game of the fourth quarter for the 2020 school year. We have 2 weeks more. The 11th graders should be finished reading The Hobbit and taking the last few quizzes for that. The 10th graders are finishing up with the Harlem Renaissance, and then they're going to have a little punctuation and capitalization quiz and review. I have already posted the final exam / project for everybody, which is to write an essay with the topic of, has the government handled the coronavirus epidemic well? And you need to say whether you agree with how they've handled things or whether you disagree, and then to give some substantial evidence to support that. This is going to be your last opportunity to fill the holes, to make certain that the grade that you have on PowerSchool is the grade that you want. If you have not done the Latin root word project for the 11th grade, the paper plate, or if you haven't done the color presentation for 10th grade, you need to get those done because those are each worth 100 points. And if you don't have them, it's going to get ugly really fast. You have until the 15th. Mr. Goligoski has asked that we get all of our grades in by the 15th so that we can finalize them the following week. It does shave a little bit of time off of the grading period, but at least it gets it over with, and then you're going with that. When I was doing cleaning in my room, one thing that I discovered, in addition to papers and books and different things like that, is I discovered all of the late work passes that I already had filled out for the fourth quarter for each and every student. So here's what I'm going to do with them. I am going to put the 10 points extra credit in PowerSchool for everybody. I am also going to tie with that a little trivia piece. I'll put the website on Google Classroom, and you will get the 10 points for the late work thing because I have them. And if you choose to do the little trivia thing, then I will give you an additional 10 points for that. So the only reason for you to not pass English is for you to not turn in the work. I am giving you ample opportunity to get the stuff done. If you bomb one of the quizzes, I throw out the grade if it's less than 70%, and then you can retake that. But you must finish all of your stuff before the 15th, so that gives you only 2 weeks to get that done. Here's the rules about grades for the second semester. If you have an A, we record an A, we move on, life is all good. If you have a B, C, or a D, and you're not happy with the B, C, or the D, you are welcome at the end of the grading period after the 15th to email me and say, Mrs. Martin, I would like to take a pass rather than a letter grade. So if you have a C or a D and that's going to bomb your GPA, you let me know that you'd rather do the pass-fail option. I give you a grade of pass. You get credit for the course, but it doesn't count against your GPA. So that's one opportunity for you to be able to salvage your grade this grading period. The other thing is that if you have an F, if you have 59% or less after all the grades are entered and everything's done, then you will not be given an F on your grading period. You will be given an incomplete. And then this fall, you will be given opportunity to make up that work. And I don't know exactly what the remedial coursework will look like or how exactly they're going to do that, but Governor Ducey wanted to make certain that nobody failed because of the whole coronavirus thing. And so that's how the school is dealing with it. In the meantime, you need to get your work turned in. You need to make sure that you have your stuff submitted. You need to make certain that if you bombed a quiz, take it over again, because it's a lot easier to just get it done now rather than have to go back this fall and have this additional work hanging over your head. So that's it for now. I will post the extra credit with the late work stuff on Monday. And everyone stay well, stay healthy, and I'll see you later.